Manifestation doesn't work is one of the most ridiculous things I have ever heard anyone say. And do not get me wrong, I've said that myself, but at a time where I had no idea what manifestation truly was. My love, if that's the case for you, let's clarify, because it's not letting you get the love, the soulmate love that you deserve. Saying manifestation doesn't work is kind of like saying, I want to lose 10 pounds and I'm going to try this new exercise method. So I'm going to do it for a couple of times a week. And then the rest of the week, I'm going to eat whatever crap I want to eat. So you may be trying affirmations, as many of my clients did when they started on their journey. Maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes a day visualization, and the rest of the day, what are you feeding your mind with? Worry, fear, doubt, insecurity. This is not going to work. What if he doesn't come back? Babe, manifestation is not something that works or doesn't work. Manifestation is something you're doing all the time. We are manifesting 24/7, whether you like it or not, but you are manifesting what you're giving most of your energy to. Those thoughts that are scary, fearful, worrisome, those are the ones that you're manifesting. So I ask clients when they sign up for my program, did you manifest the breakup? And they say, you know what? I actually think I did. Unconsciously, but I did. And if you're not sure if you did, the question is, what thoughts were you thinking before it happened? And I've had people tell me when they get on a call with me, a trial coaching session before they sign up for any of my private programs, and they say, you know what, Karen? I actually was thinking, there's someone else. He's going to leave me. There's someone else. There's someone else. And I kept asking him and asking him and asking him until there was someone else. So I did manifest. Babe, we are manifesting all the time. We are manifesting 24/7. Those fears, those doubts, those worries, if we keep entertaining them, we are manifesting them. Manifestation is not something you do just to get what you want. Manifestation is something you're doing all the time. It's a creation of your life experience from your beliefs, from your thoughts, from your feelings. And it's happening whether you like it or not. Learning to manifest is essential. This is not just about getting an ex back or getting the version of him that you want, although that is what I help most of my clients with. This is about creating the life that you deserve. The soulmate love, the money, the abundance, the health, everything that you deserve. And in order to do that, you're going to have to take charge of your mind. You're going to have to learn to release needy energy. You're going to have to own your queen vibe, raise your self-worth, and become an energetic match to everything that you want. That is what I teach. And if you're ready to do that, the links are in my bio to see what program is right for you. Babe, you cannot just learn to shift this. You deserve to.